If you've ever found yourself squinting at tiny details in Photopea, this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to zoom in Photopea using simple keyboard shortcuts, your mouse or trackpad, and a couple of super useful view controls that make editing much easier. Whether you're working on photos, graphics, or design mockups, knowing these zoom shortcuts helps you move faster and work more accurately. And if you want more quick Photopea tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Let's jump in. First, let's cover the most basic way to zoom in and zoom out with shortcuts. If you're on a Mac, press Command and plus to zoom in. If you're on Windows, press Control and plus to zoom in. This will increase the view so you can get closer to the details of your image. If you want to zoom out, use Command and the minus on Mac or Control and minus on Windows. This is the fastest way to adjust your view when you need more precision while editing. Now, if you want a smoother and more natural zooming method, Photopea also supports dynamic zoom with your mouse or trackpad. To do this, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, and then scroll your mouse wheel up or down. As you scroll, the canvas will zoom in or out smoothly, and it will zoom toward your cursor. That's really helpful because it keeps the area you're working on centered exactly where you need it. If you use a trackpad, this feels especially convenient for quick adjustments without reaching for the keyboard shortcuts every time. Another really handy method is Scrubby Zoom. This is great when you want more control over the zoom level. Just press Z on your keyboard to select the zoom tool. Once it's active, click and drag left or right on the canvas. Dragging to the right zooms in and dragging to the left zooms out. This method is excellent when you want to fine-tune your view gradually instead of jumping between large zoom levels. Let's also talk about two super important view shortcuts: fit to screen and actual size. If your image is too large or too small, and you just want everything to fit nicely inside your workspace, press Command and 0 on Mac, or Control and 0 on Windows. This instantly fits the document to your screen so you can see the whole canvas at once. It's perfect when you want to get your bearings or quickly check the overall composition. If you want to view your image at 100%, which means one image pixel equals one screen pixel, use Command and 1 on Mac or Control and 1 on Windows. This is also called actual size, and it's extremely useful when checking sharpness, texture, and fine detail. If you're editing a logo, retouching a photo, or inspecting edges, actual size gives you the most accurate view of your work. So to quickly recap, use Command or Control plus to zoom in, Command or Control plus minus to zoom out, hold Alt or Option while scrolling for dynamic zoom, press Z for Scrubby Zoom, Command or Control plus 0 to fit to screen, and Command or Control plus 1 for 100% view. Once you memorize these, editing in Photopea becomes much faster and a lot more comfortable. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more short, useful Photopea tutorials and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.